Alright guys, it's that time again.
Say
Shot time, our favourite video to film.
Good heavens.
I feel like you actually can't go wrong with a say it or shot it.
you can.
You get the tea.
Everyone
the
always
tea.
wants to know the tea.
I was about to say we enjoy doing the shots, but that's actually a big fat lie.
I just needed to get a little bit tipsy today, so what better
And we've got the rosé as well.
Cheers!
Cheers! Oh wait, Rachel,
Oh.
blink.
I'm funny about that as well.
Yeah,
It's like a
I am.
superstitious thing.
Also, shout out Bethan for the freshly stocked coffee Patron. Oh, my friend's just great.
The best.
Supplied us the alcohol for this video, which I'm sure they're
I
watching.
need to smell it.
Oh god.
Mistake.
So we asked on our Instagram stories for questions for each other, which realistically actually we shouldn't have done it that way, but it's fine. I feel like we've all screenshotted / written some questions down, and
My heart is going and I have no idea why.
Oh my god.
suddenly a bit nervous.
Let the next challenge begin. If this is the way of the warrior, you have lost a life. And then the feather goes like.
I never really watched. Was it Raven?
I know what it was. But
yeah, I
with
know
the
what it
crows.
I used to be like, I want to be the Earth one. Like they had that like coloured uniform.
You see, you've lost me there.
Oh,
Yeah.
I used to
remember
watch
that.
Jungle Run.
Jungle Run was good.
I really wanted to do that.
monkeys.
Yeah.
Name someone that you dislike in this industry and why. And it can't be
I was just about to say Jeffrey Star.
like no. And it can't be.
There's
It's
one that
no
comes to
one.
my head, but there's no way that I can say it.
Oh.
There's one. Is there anyone that comes to my head? Who are you thinking of? That is
We
true.
like to keep the peace over here, so we're gonna have
We
a
don't
shot.
like to start any drama.
No, but-
any drama llama.
Nicki Minaj play no frauds. That's how I feel about that person.
I'll ease
That
myself
means our
in.
brutal ones are next.
Ease my way in.
Alright, Jack Sparrow.
Look at the shots one.
Sparrow. What was that?
Captain Jack Sparrow, like just coming out.
One feature of mine that you would change if you was me.
If I was you,
I'd
absolutely.
I'd probably try and invest in growing my toes now back.
Oh yeah. That's so
So like Mads doesn't have a toenail. It's there, but it's not there. So realistically, I would
I dropped
maybe.
a grid on my little toe when I was a baby and it just never grew back.
You can't copy my answer.
I wasn't gonna.
All right.
Alright.
How do you invest in a toenail?
I was gonna say when I'm sure there's a fucking
Acrylic.
surgeon somewhere that
It
would
gets
just
some acrylic
find a
on
way.
it. It gets some acrylic on it. Besides your toenail, what on earth
What do you wanna
expect
change?
to
I don't know, like you've got a big forehead or like a fat nose or something, I don't know.
I'm sorry, but if we sat and you like to turn on and went,
I won't
I'd
be
get your nose
offended,
done, yeah.
I won't be offended. I won't be offended.
No, I'm trying to even think of anything. I literally like there's nothing about you I would change.
When I feel bad.
Maybe
But
I'll
I am
I'll
quite
do a
funny
shot.
about toenails and just feet in general.
Yeah, I literally can't think of
Sorry, I
anything.
really was trying to pick questions that we've never asked before. And that was
To be
really
fair,
hard.
it's actually quite hard because a lot of the questions you guys sent are stuff
Yeah.
that we've answered. Why have you given me the biggest,
It was the
fattest, juiciest one?
Because you got the biggest, fattest, juiciest ass.
Ass.
Oh,
Girdle, girdle,
That's
girdle door.
disgusting.
disgusting. Can
That's
I smell
disgusting.
it? I like
Yeah.
smelling alcohol apparently.
I like smelling it. I don't want to do that.
Oh, go on, just get it down your gullet. Get your question clogs going.
When was the last time you both had sex? Do you want to talk about it?
Well, it wasn't that long ago. It was only like a month ago, but
It's not as long as mine was. Mine's
I
quite
know.
upsetting now.
you like me.
Oh my god, it's actually gonna get to a year.
That was bad. This is for both of you.
Okay.
What is Rachel's worst quality?
Well, see, like you just said that about.
Okay,
Quality. That's
I'm
not
gonna
like
say,
a physical, like.
Oh, Matt's got a list ready to go.
Alright,
I'm gonna say.
No, only because I feel like we're so different in this. Like when I
Okay.
tell you I am the most laid back person you will ever, like I'm basically horizontal, like I'm so laid back, whereas Rach is like the complete opposite, and I don't think that's necessarily bad. I don't think it's bad at all because you fix me up and like you pattern me up on certain things, but like I think that's the only thing I can think of where sometimes I'm like Rach chill.
Yeah.
To be fair, it's
But like, I
basically-
like it when you do that though, because then I'm like, I do
that's
need
what
to
I mean,
chill.
like, we
I just
balance
need to
each
calm
other
down.
out, yeah.
If we're 5 minutes late to the restaurant, it's not the end of the world. Like, it's fine. And maybe when
Rach,
they're only 5 minutes
just
late
let
to
them
the
know
restaurant.
that we're on our way. I'm like, Rach, it's fine.
It's
It's
fine.
like, no, I think you should let them know. I'm like,
Oh, you
it's
actually
okay.
are like.
But like, I love that about you
Organisation.
at the same time.
Yeah. It's basically what.
No, you have to come up with something completely new.
No, I've got something, but.
I bet you.
No, but it's basically what. Do you remember last time we filmed this and you had to say 2 things that you don't like about me and Mads? It's
Right.
basically, and you said how Mads is always late and it's just very like.
Yeah.
So it is basically.
But what did I say about you?
Well, it's not the same. Well, actually, no, it kind of is. So my quality that I would
me?
change about you.
No, it's always. Oh yeah, it's my worst one.
Oh, it's not actually bad. It's kind of funny. Rachel can sometimes be the loudest or just like most obnoxious drunk you've ever seen. Like,
No, guys, it's not funny.
like
We reached a new
Rachel
level the other
literally
day.
nearly made me cry.
But like the thing is,
No, but
it's
it's
like
so-
not.
it's funny.
It's not intentional.
No,
and it's not.
no, but that's what I mean. It's not actually a bad thing
I
or
mean,
something
he was
that I would
mortified.
change.
But I
it
woke
just
up and I was like,
makes
did
me
I
laugh.
actually say that? Like, I can't believe it. Basically, Hannah did something. Hannah ate chicken.
Hannah
okay?
ate chicken, okay?
And
I'm
I-
pescatarian, but sometimes.
And
I just
apparently,
eat a chicken
when she was
sandwich.
about to like, I think Maddie offered her a chicken nugget, and Hannah went to go and take it. And okay, so when I'm so like, my friends from home will like agree. When I'm so beyond the point of being drunk, I'm actually quite the opposite, and I actually can't speak. Like, I can't speak. So
Yeah.
like, I was in my head, I would, because I'd never call you this seriously. So Hannah went to eat the nugget, and I think if I was like not so drunk, I would have been like, do you know what, you're pathetic, you're you can't, you're not a real
But, like,
vegetarian.
yeah, Rachel literally like muttered it on camera. She was like, pathetic. And I was like,
Can you imagine? I was sat on the middle bed like.
it literally went dead silent for about 5 minutes because I just went,
Put the nugget back.
I didn't eat the chicken. No.
Yeah, and that's how he came up, because in the morning I was like, who the fuck didn't eat the chicken
I
sandwich?
was
You're
like, me. Because you go one way or the other when you're drunk. You either get so drunk that you're just not there, or you're literally like shouting across the room at
Yeah.
people like,
Yeah, raw.
there you go.
Soz. Well, okay, I'll work on it, guys. I'll try and be, yeah, thanks guys, I'll work on it.
What is the most stupid thing you've done because of love?
Oh.
I've done many stupid things.
Oh.
Stupid things.
The most stupid thing.
Yeah. I think mine was
Thought
lots of
that
things.
someone wouldn't sleep with someone else, and they did. I had faith. That's what I had. I had faith. I had too much faith.
Oh, it's a bit fucking
fresh.
Bit fucking fresh, I'll tell you that for breezy. Do you mean stupid as in like fucking...
Like, for example, I've already mentioned it on my channel, but
You tried to like hack your.
Oh,
that what you said?
you mean like shit like that? Like psychotic thing I've ever done?
Like, yeah, so, yeah. So, like, me and my friend flew to Ibiza to spy on someone.
Yeah, that is a lot.
Okay, I've never done anything like that, so I
Do you know
shut
what, though?
up.
I've always said this. I am the crazy best friend that will come up with the idea and will stalk your mum with you.
Like you find all the answers. Probably like tried to hack my ex-boyfriend's Facebook.
Yeah, you guys
I
are
knew he
fucking
was
weird.
cheating on me.
And was he?
Yes.
Good
But
feelings
this was
are
a
always
long time
right.
ago. Like,
I'm just gonna do this shot because I want to even it out, and I've actually never done anything like that because
I'm talking
just
when I was
haven't.
like 16.
Young.
Like,
Yeah, I was young.
And I was literally being played by this boy for like 4 years.
bottoms up to not being psychotic.
Can't relate. What's the biggest age gap between you and someone you've slept with? I don't think either of yours are like. Well, none of ours are that bad.
Mine's like 4 years.
Oh yeah, that's really not bad.
Oh, wait. No, not 11. 10.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I'm trying to get it to like 20 at this point. That's what I really want. Say it or shot it. Would you get back with your most recent ex? Get it up.
Who's my recent ex?
Share from me.
Well, your most
Is it
recent
not-
ex, is that not
Is
like
that
your
not
current
you're
one that
basically
you
now
basically...
seeing?
Okay,
Yeah, you would.
yeah, just to see how it plays out.
Yeah, I would.
And for the free.
No, do you know what? No, I wouldn't. Hell no. Sorry, no.
Oh, no.
No, I wouldn't. Who out of the three of us has the worst taste in men?
I got that as well. In fact, it is you, fucking Julie.
Actually, I'm not. Actually,
that's one
hang. I'm very actually, no, I have slept with a few other people. No, but the thing is, I actually used to be quite selective with who I slept with. If you looked at all of the people that I've slept with physically, there's only like 2 that I'd be like, ugh. I
think we were just meaning like as a
quality,
person as well.
right? Yeah. So.
Oh yeah, not looks wise, but just
right. So
you slept with some right dickhead. So.
Shit. Alright, got the cameras.
Dead ass. No, we're talking like, who's a dickhead?
To be fair, you do pick some interesting characters. I thought we were talking about like who has the worst taste in men, as in like who has the worst ex-boyfriend.
Well, that's what I was thinking when I asked the question, not who they've slept with, but
So
just,
me
like,
then?
taste as in like...
As in wears a gilet and a cap at the same time.
Yeah. I mean,
because all of yours are like 10 out of 10, but like if we're talking like
assholes.
Yeah. Well, they got nice assholes.
Yeah.
No, to be fair, I feel like mine.
Your ex-boyfriend actually like.
Do you know what? All of us have had very questionable people, so I feel like that's quite an unfair question.
It flew away. I thought it was fluff joked it was a knit and then it started flying.
Oh my god!
Wait, actually, was it?
Oh no, it's fine. No, that wasn't what was that.
Have you ever had sex with the same guy as one of your friends? Not necessarily at the same time.
Me? No.
Is anyone else in the room? Well, no, but like it's fine. For us it was fine. Do you remember? I think I remember when I told you like about a certain situation. You were like, "Excuse me."
Sorry.
I was like, "Yeah, but it's fine."
so
And you were like,
shocked.
"Are you joking?" I lived in a very small town. It was quite hard to not.
It was very. You get what you're given.
Because
But
like
it was no one really that like, except when they did it to me. But like, it was no one that like I personally said that like they care about like in that sort of way.
Yeah.
Mads, yours is name a brand you will never work with again.
okay.
And yours is what is your weirdest sexual experience? This was asked by like the same girl, but she like did questions for you both.
Weirdest sexual experience.
No, that was one of mine.
Sorry.
I don't know if I've ever had anything that's like weird.
I had a guy rub me like here for like 2 minutes, thinking that was like doing things for me. And I was
Are you serious?
I was like, I thought maybe he might just be like rubbing my leg and we'll get there, but like unfortunately not. And I did kind of like look and I was like, do you think that's right? Because it's not.
Oh no.
Yeah.
This guy just gets worse and worse.
Yeah.
I feel like I can't actually think of anything, so I'm gonna shot it. But if something comes to
I'm gonna
mind,
shot
then
it.
I'll
Okay.
share.
What
But I
shot
can't actually
are you
think
on?
of anything.
The soft shots. Wait, let's get some promo. Get some little vodka in there. They might.
What is
That
it?
looks like inside of a crusty. That looks like inside of a crusty belly button after you've tanned for like 2 weeks straight.
What is the bitchiest thing you've ever said about me?
The bitchiest thing.
I
I've
can't
ever
believe
said
she's
about
fucking
you.
late. I'm gonna kill myself. Probably. I don't even think that's bitchy. I'd say it to your face, like, where you fucking coming.
Yeah, I've never said anything about you that I wouldn't.
No.
Yeah.
Neither.
No.
Oh.
But I mean, I will shot because I mean that's technically.
Yeah, that's not like. Oh, let's all do one together.
It's such a congealed with like a coffee machine at the bottom.
What did you say?
What did you fucking say?
Congealed.
Is that a word?
That is a word.
Congealed.
Congealed.
Like,
Hey,
when
Siri.
congeals.
What does congealed mean?
Congealed means
Having become.
having become semi-solid, especially on cooling.
Yeah, like the Baileys became the coffee machine became semi-solid.
When milk congeals, it comes like,
Like
it comes like
lumpy.
hard. Yeah.
Don't you mean? Oh, what's in there? That's the vodka you didn't do.
Oh.
Alright, I'm gonna do one each for you next, like you just done.
Okay.
Alright, Mads, yours is gonna be what is the worst thing that someone said to you during sex?
Oh.
And yours is gonna be this is a friends inspired question. If you had to date/marry one of us, who would it be and why? Do you remember when like Monica, Phoebe,
Yeah.
and Rachel were like,
Yeah,
I had to marry
that
one of
I've
you.
got that one as well, and I know what I'm going to say for mine. We wasn't having sex.
okay, do we know
I-
this?
I have definitely told you, and it
Okay.
gave me. I'd not even kissed this guy yet. Oh no! I had kissed him. I thought this could go somewhere, but like, let me just like investigate the situation. And he literally said, "Mummy, can I have some milk?"
Sorry, I know exactly who that's about, and I actually.
It was at your house.
It was at my fucking house.
And I was like, "You have to go home now." Obviously, nothing else happened after that, and that was the end of
I
it.
hope you told him to go to therapy.
The thing is, you know who this person is as well.
Mummy, can I have some milk?
You know who that is. If you had to marry one of us, who would it be? If you had to marry one of us.
Oh, sorry. Probably Hannah after that, but.
I think we'd both just end up getting divorced.
Aww.
Yeah, but I think you'd both get sick of me. So,
Aw, don't say that about yourself.
no. Maddie would cheat on me. 100%. They'd get bored of me and I'd be done, tossed to the streets, like I'm gone.
Okay.
I think you'd stick it out, but like low-key resent me like throughout the whole thing, and then you just leave me and take the kids. Like that's what would happen. So
Can I just say, I don't cheat.
no, but you'd cheat on me. It just would be. It would be the thing. You'd be sick of like I'd be at work. Like it'd be like I'd be at work all the time.
Come home,
like,
you're too tired.
Yeah. Okay, this. Oh, can I ask two?
Okay.
It's because one's a would you rather, and like obviously that's not what we asked for, but this one I thought was so good. Would you rather lose your sexual organs? So
Okay.
basically,
You can't have sex.
or gain £200 that you could never lose it, can't lose it.
I'd have to lose my sexual organs.
I just don't think I'd enjoy life. And
Yeah.
it's my only
Yeah.
thing that I couldn't even enjoy sex that big, so.
Well,
Yeah.
I'm sure people do.
Yeah, but not the way I do now.
Oh, okay. And then this is the say it or shot it for the both of you. Is the most illegal thing you've ever done?
I sped in my car, I got done for speeding.
Oh, that's true. I did that too.
I'll shot that because that was. I don't have an answer really.
Right then, ladies, what we're leaving on. Why did both of your last relationships end?
Well, I'm quite open with mine, so I can just happily say.
You wanna go then? You wanna go?
Just trying to think of how to summarise the whole situation. He's dating someone else. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh no.
I'm gonna shot mine because it's
Some
not
things
even.
don't need to be aired.
It's not even like. Whoop. I feel like I've addressed this. Whoop. Whoop. Like we're just. I'll just shut it. Come on, give me.
Well, yours isn't even like
I'll
our
end on a
reason.
shot too.
There
Yours
is.
isn't
What
our
is the reason?
Like mine's
There
a
is-
quite evident reason.
Rachel,
Like no one did anything wrong.
No one
did
cheated
anything
on
wrong.
anyone. No one did any of that. It's just. Yeah, we answered a good amount of questions.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel like there's nothing else that was particularly.
Standing out.
Yeah.
Particularly.
We gave you quite in-depth answers.
Yeah, I feel like we actually
Yeah.
answered a good few. I feel like we usually absolutely rinse because we do shots and we don't actually answer anything, but hopefully we've given you something.
That Hannah eats chicken.
Rachel thinks I'm pathetic. Okay, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're gonna go and eat lots of food at Zook and probably drink more alcohol.
Woo!
So I will link Mads and Rich's videos down below when they're up, or also their channels as well. And yeah, we love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
See you soon.
See you soon.
This is
Yay.